fantastic trip. As advertised, there were only 10 people plus the captain and hostess on board, resulting in a very quiet and relaxed atmosphere with plenty of space to use all the seats and loungers. Delicious food, with a wide selection for vegetarians as well. Alcoholic drinks were included in the price. We had perfect wind and weather conditions, allowing us to swim and sail into the sunset with the sails up. Highly recommended. Had a wonderful experience on the catamaran with my daughters. This was the highlight of our week in Mallorca. Wonderful boat, trip, crew, dinner, swim and sunset. Pleasantly surprised at the value for the price. At first glance how clean the boat was had us both impressed. The welcome drinks were great and fair prices for any additional beverages. Great spread of food to snack on and the two-person staff were very accommodating and knowledgeable. Would definitely take this trip again. The boat experience was fantastic. I went with 2 other friends and there were 7 other guests. The group provided some drinks and tapas throughout the boat ride. The boat captain and hostess were very flexible and made the experience amazing. I recommend booking with this team. Our experience on board your beautiful catamaran was fantastic. From the booking process right through to our time on board, the staff were incredibly helpful and friendly. The trip itself was fantastic and we had the pleasure of meeting a lovely group of fellow passengers. It truly was a memorable experience. Thanks again for everything. Incredible experience. The crew is highly motivated and fulfills every wish. The anchorages were beautiful with turquoise water. We will definitely be back. Amazing trip. Amazing team. And a fantastic experience. We'll be back next year. The tapas were so delicious and the drinks were top notch. Amazing crew, brand new luxury boat, crystal clear water, delicious food, delicious drinks, simply perfect. Lot of space for the passengers. Come nice ride with the boat. A good alternative if you would like to be just your group. Book all 12 tickets. We had a great time. The catamaran was very clean and spacious. Lots of different areas to relax. Linda and German were excellent. I recommend 100%. Just an amazing tour, crystal clear water and perfect food, everything was perfect. Thank you so much. Would definitely do it again. Great experience. The boat was immaculate. Linda and German provided great service. I highly recommend this experience.